Good afternoon, children. Take out your Viva Early Skill English book and open page number 666. Now, in this page, you have to write like this: date and day, 31-12-21. And what is the day today? Friday. So, yesterday we have done about a and an. When and where we have to put a and when we have to put an with a word. Okay? So, let's do that here. Letters A, E, I, O and U are vowels. When a word begins with a vowel, then that is vowel sound, then we use an before it. Okay? And when we use a before words that begin with the sound of the other letters, that are the consonant letters. Okay? So, for example, can you see here? This is orange. And orange starts with a vowel sound, O. So, what we have added here, what we have to write here? An orange. An orange. Now here what is the picture? Tree. So what is the first letter here? T. T. So does a vowel sound come here or a consonant sound? Consonant. So what we will write here? We will write a tree. And how we will spell it? A tree. Next is igloo. What is the spelling of igloo? It starts with letter I, and I sounds I here, right? Igloo. Igloo. So when there is a I sound, I, what will come here? You have to use an igloo. An igloo. Okay? Now here, what is the picture? Cat. At cat. Now is it a consonant sound or a vowel sound, children? Consonant sound. Yes, So what you have to write here? A cat. So write a here. A cat. Now Madam is going to show you one example, and one example of a and one example of an. And the rest of the page you have to do on your own. Okay, children? So do it carefully. And for doing it carefully, what you have to do? You have to listen carefully. Okay? Say the names of the pictures and then write a or an before each word. So first let us say the name. What is this? Looking at the picture also you can say, what is this? Cap. Cap. So children, what is this letter? K. So how does it sound? Does it have a consonant sound or a vowel sound? Consonant sound. So what you will put here? What will you write? A or an? A. So write A like this. So how are you going to spell it? A cap? No. A cap. A cap. Now next I am going to show you for this. What is this? Umbrella. Umbrella. Okay? So umbrella mein what is the first letter? U. And how does it sound? Does it sound like a consonant or a vowel? Vowel. U. Yes. What does it sound? Umbrella. So whenever you hear a sound of vowel, what will come here? Yes, you got it right. An umbrella. So for that you have to write A and then N, an umbrella. Okay? So like this you have to finish the whole page. Okay children?